Welcome to Bikes Explained, your go-to destination for everything on two wheels. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated adventure motorcycles of the coming year, the 2026 Royal Enfield Himalayan 750. A bold evolution of the Himalayan legacy, this machine is set to redefine mid-weight ADV biking. A new era in power and performance. The Himalayan 750 marks Royal Enfield's entry into a higher displacement segment with a newly developed 750 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine. Tuned for adventure touring, it delivers smoother highway cruising, improved off-road grunt, and refined throttle response. Expect a power output in the ballpark of 50 to 55 horsepower, making it a serious contender for global ADV rivals. Chassis and suspension overhaul. To complement the new engine, Royal Enfield has engineered an all-new lightweight chassis with revised geometry for improved off-road stability and cornering. Long travel suspension, likely from Showa or WP. Combined with increased ground clearance, ensures the Himalayan 750 can handle rough terrains with ease, while maintaining comfort over long rides. Tech and features upgrade. The 2026 Himalayan 750 brings modern tech to the table. We anticipate a fully digital TFT display with Bluetooth connectivity, turn-by-turn navigation, and riding modes. Traction control and cornering ABS could make their debut, finally placing the Himalayan in league with premium ADVs. Global adventure focus. Royal Enfield has made it clear, the Himalayan 750 is built for world travel. A larger fuel tank, luggage mounting points, improved wind protection, and ergonomics tailored for long-distance comfort all point to a serious overlander. With expected Euro 6 and BS7 compliance, it's ready for global markets right out of the box. Pricing and launch expectations. Although no official price has been confirmed, estimates suggest a price tag around $7,000 to $8,000, making it one of the most affordable midweight ADVs in its class. A global unveil is expected in late 2025, with deliveries starting in early 2026. Conclusion: is the 750 worth the wait? If Royal Enfield delivers on what it promises, the Himalayan 750 could be a game-changer, bringing serious ADV capabilities to a broader audience without breaking the bank. Stay tuned to Bikes Explained for updates, first ride reviews, and detailed breakdowns when the Himalayan 750 finally hits the road. Subscribe for more. Like, share, and subscribe to Bikes Explained for more deep dives into the world of motorcycles. Let us know in the comments, would you take the Himalayan 750 around the world?